How do you change the world? You start with the little things. Carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen. Every living thing that makes our world unique is built of these four elements, along with traces of other elements. But this isn't life. This is. And each element is part of the mystery that is our world. Everything we see, we identify, analyze, categorize, catalog, and define, yet we will never fully know all that nature offers. Science is a tool for understanding the world around us, but when we look too closely, we might miss the big picture. No matter who we are or what we do, we interact with nature every day. Bread is one of the earliest examples of using science to better our food. Back in ancient Egypt, someone making flatbread left their mixture out in the sun a little longer than usual, and somehow the dough became contaminated with yeast. The yeast created carbon dioxide, which filled the dough with air pockets, making it rise. What we didn't learn until thousands of years later was that this process was caused by a microbe called Saccharomyces exiguus, a microscopic fungus. In other words, without microbes, we would all still be eating this. Newborn calves drink milk and have difficulty digesting anything else. Soon bacteria are introduced, enabling it to break down more complex nutrients. Over time, the animal begins to eat a variety of things, and as it does, other microbes are introduced. By adulthood, healthy animals have hundreds of thousands of different bacteria and other microbes, helping them digest their food.
There are literally billions of bacteria in the soil I'm standing on. They are so small they can't be seen. Yet worldwide, they are heavier than all other forms of life combined. We need bacteria because they do things nothing else can.
Life is built from soil elements, which are consumed by bacteria and then converted by microbes into more complex organic molecules. These molecules continue to grow in size and complexity as they're ingested and released by larger soil organisms, eventually becoming food for plants. With the aid of photosynthesis, these soil nutrients help the plant grow and mature, finally dying and releasing seeds so the new life can take its place. That's the cycle. Microbes consume soil elements and create complex molecules that plants use to grow. When it is eaten, microbes and their byproducts break the plant down so the nutrients can be absorbed. And when the animal dies, microbes decompose it and return the elements to the soil, because all we really are is carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, and traces of other elements, all from the soil. Best Environmental Technologies is the worldwide leader in research and understanding the role of microbes in the basics of nature. The simple truth is that plants are made of elements. A healthy plant has good color, thick cell walls that resist pest and environmental damage, and seldom becomes diseased. In an effort to grow more from the same land, farmers apply fertilizer. But the concentration and frequent over-application of these nutrients begin to shift the soil pH. When the pH shifts too much, the microbes start to go inert, and the farmer needs to apply more fertilizer the following season in an attempt to get the same growth. With fewer microbes fixing nutrients to roots and soil particles, much of the inorganic fertilizer molecules run through the soil and go into the water table or gas off into the atmosphere. In fact, as much as 70% or more of inorganic fertilizer is lost before the plant ever tries to take it up, meaning that 70% or more of a farmer's input cost is wasted. Best Environmental Technologies offers products and services designed specifically to improve soil quality, which helps to stimulate the activity of naturally occurring soil life, encourages diversity of beneficial soil life, helps balance soil pH, increases organic matter, increases nutrient availability to plants, and reduces fertilizer requirements. In Canada, we offer CFF, a service that begins with soil analysis. We formulate custom blended fertilizers to replace needed elements so that every crop can flourish. Worldwide, we offer TM Agricultural, a fertilizer and soil amendment approved under USDA National Organic Standards. This blend of nutrients results in improved soil quality and the many benefits that come with it. Scientific research continues to explore TM Agricultural's remarkable effectiveness in different climates, soils, and crops around the world. What we do is proprietary. What we accomplish is remarkable. We eat what we grow. Crop studies show that the nutrition of food is dropping. And the problem is how we've been treating our soil. To help our soils, we first need to help the microbes that live in it. When the microbial activity is increased to what it once was, then the food we grow is better. Just as plant nutrient quality has declined, studies also show that modern cattle are significantly lower in key nutritional components. At best, we knew we were helping to grow healthier plants, and we began seeing changes in farm animals. Dairy cows that were eating best-grown hay seemed healthier and produced more milk. So we started researching, keeping in mind that, like plants, animals rely on the activity of microbes for nutrient absorption. Extensive studies showed that we did make animals significantly healthier. Some of the positive results were lower veterinary costs, greater longevity, reduced mortality in offspring, reduced feed requirements, and increased growth. We then developed RE3, a family of products that are sprayed on feed to encourage greater activity of naturally occurring digestive microbes. Additional results for cattle include lower exterior fat with better intermuscle marbling, increased milk production, and higher quality milk. And the nutritional value of other farm animals also increased when given feed enhanced with RE3. We can also raise healthier birds that lay higher quality eggs and produce more of them. Although RE3 is only available in some countries, the reaction to these products is driving additional research worldwide. We look forward to the day when we can offer these products to every animal operation wherever it is. Plants are everywhere. Whether we grow them for food or pleasure, we want them to be healthy. Healthy plants last longer, bloom more consistently, produce more, and taste better. Soil Rejuvenator and Bloom Solution are products we make for home and garden use. Best is not a chemical company, so like all of our organic products, they are entirely natural and safe to use.
Get in the hole.
Most of our recreation time is spent outside in nature. TMF1 is a product designed for use on grasses in sporting venues. It helps to bring consistency to growth, and since the plants are healthier, they require less watering. Even the use of herbicides for weed control is reduced, making the environment safer. Like soil, water contains a thriving population of diverse microbes. When the community is out of balance, the results are typically algae blooms and a bad smell. In our research, we found we could bring water life back into balance by using only small amounts of natural elements. In the span of a few weeks, most water bodies return to good health. TMF2 is made of entirely natural ingredients without harsh chemicals and is safe to be used in any open body water system. Fountain Cleanse cleans the water in closed circulating systems. It will help or eliminate algae blooms and is safe for fish. In more industrial applications, we again offer solutions for open and closed water systems. Both Lagoon Cleanse and Septic Cleanse are completely safe and help to reduce or eliminate algae blooms without any toxic chemicals. From small ponds and fountains to the realities of industry, no longer do we have to live in an unhealthy environment. Kelp are among the most nutrient-rich plants in the entire world. Growing in the waters of the cold northern Pacific Ocean, there's little influence from man and almost no fertilizer or chemical pollution. As the tide rises and falls, or as storms blow, parts of the plant break off and drift to the shore, where we harvest them. Kelp is used for many things, from pharmaceuticals and nutraceuticals to cosmetics. We use it as part of the natural ingredients in our products. Kelp contains carbon and numerous elements that act as a nutrient feast for existing soil organisms, which then convert fertilizers and other nutrients into forms more able to be absorbed by plant roots. In fact, TM agricultural is applied in very small quantities, making it one of the most effective applications any farmer can use on their land. With a solid understanding of science, BEST has discovered and developed a number of new technologies. Many BEST products are liquid. Using our own proprietary technologies, we change the characteristics of water so that it can stably hold more nutrients than ever before. BEST liquid products and nutrient services take advantage of this remarkable technology, making farming more economical for everyone. Nature doesn't change, but the advances in science do all the time. Our scientists are experts in understanding the health of water, soil, plants, and animals. And we offer our expertise to farmers, scientists, and other companies. Located in Canada, our laboratory is an accredited and independently operated part of the BEST Technologies Group and conducts food microbiological analysis, environmental microbiological analysis for water, air, and soil, and genetic toxicology. Our research and development is always searching for new discoveries that we hope one day will make the world healthier for everyone, everywhere. It's not synthetic. It's nature.
The world around us is remarkable. It is strong and enduring, all because of microbes. Our time is their time. We should remember that.